Hello, my name is Dr. Rachel Edoho-Eket, and I currently serve as an elementary school principal in Maryland, and I'm also the president of the Maryland Association of Elementary School Principals. I'm someone who believes very strongly in the partnerships that can be fostered between families and our teachers and staff, and so Talking Points is a perfect bridge that we use to make sure that our families are involved and engaged in every way possible. The teachers, with a click of a button, can send one message out to several different families that speak several different languages. And then the families are able to communicate in their native language and then asking our teachers questions about events, clarifying information, and our teachers are able to respond back to them in our native language, but the families receive it in their native language. That has been a game changer for our community. Additionally, we've used it to help with our attendance rates. We saw an increase in our attendance rates for the first time in several years post-COVID, and we know that Talking Points was a very big part of that process. We communicate with families often to tell them if there's an early closing or if school is closed for a particular day, or when we're having a fun event, we encourage our families to bring children to school. Remember, bring them on time because we have a field trip tomorrow. So all of those little things really have helped us to move the bar along with communicating with families in a very effective and cost-effective way. So I'm very thankful to Talking Points, and I have in my own podcast that I recently talked about Talking Points to my audience and just sharing all the wonderful ways that we have applied it and encouraging other schools to use Talking Points if they're not familiar with it yet.